In this video, we will show you how to use a waitlist with registration. This video is for students who already know how to register, but are wondering how waitlist functionality works. It's important to note that not all course sections have waitlist functionality at USF. Once you're in Register for Classes in Student Self-Service, you may encounter a course that is full but has a waitlist. As you scroll through the information, full courses will be indicated in red, along with any waitlist information following the teal triangle with an exclamation point in the status column. When you hover over this icon, you will see the following information. If the class section is full, it will say 0 seats remaining. If there is a waitlist, it will inform you of how many seats are available on that waitlist. If the number is 0, pick another section to register for with seats available. However, if there is at least 1 seat available and you want to add yourself to the waitlist, select the Add button next to the class section. Just like when you register into courses that have seats available, this action will place the course into the registration summary window as pending. Click Submit. When you do this, the following message will appear on the screen. Class closed. Waitlist open. Choose Waitlist. To make sure you are added to the waitlist, from the Action drop-down, select Waitlist. Then click Submit again at the bottom of the screen. You will now be added to the waitlist and can see that the status message shows waitlisted. If you click on the Schedule and Options tab, you will also see that your waitlist status is displayed. Once you are the first person on the waitlist and someone drops the course section, you will receive an email notification to your USF email informing you to register. Please note, you must register for the section within 24 hours of the email notification. If you do not register, you will be dropped from the waitlist and the next person will move to the top of the list. If you haven't received a notification but also no longer wish to be on the waitlist, you can come back to Register for Classes in Student Self-Service and drop the class. To see other information or watch additional videos to get more in-depth instructions about the components of Student Self-Service, please check them out on the Office of the Registrar's website. And as always, go Bulls!